This is a walk-around and operation of a 2019 Bobcat E20 mini excavator. It's similar to Caterpillar, Kubota, John Deere, and more. It's 41,900 Canadian dollars plus tax. It has an open cab, a 4,300-pound operating weight, and a 2-speed 14-horsepower diesel engine. This excavator has 420 hours. It has the long arm, digging 8 feet 6 inches deep. It includes a tooth bucket and hydraulic thumb. It has auxiliary hydraulics. The rubber tracks are at 90%. There is normal wear and tear. This premium low-hour unit just arrived. It won't last long. This machine fires right up and operates as it should. There's no smoke or apparent leaks. It operates very smooth. Very nice mid-sized hydraulic excavator. Great size to fit in smaller places, but powerful enough to get the job done. This unit is located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. We ship anywhere inexpensively. Please contact us for more information. www.edgeequipmentsales.com